What's up YouTube? It's Motoretsa back again with another video. This video is going to be a little different. I'm going to show you guys how to do an installation of the Bonamici Racing quick release gas cap. So this should be a pretty short video, pretty simple, and we're going to get right into it. So the first thing you want to do, and this is for the BMW S1000RR, the 2024 model, if it matters, depending on which motorcycle you have. But first thing you want to do is unlock the gas cap. Then you'll see 5 screws here, and I believe they're T10s, so you need a hex key to get these out, or Torx. And then there's going to be 2 more under this, and I'm using the toolkit that I was given directly from BMW when I purchased this. So this is the OEM toolkit. And I'm going into this kind of blind as well. Like, I don't know exactly how the other gas cap is going to sit on here, but I do know how to remove this stuff. So I'm going to undo each of these screws. Be very careful not to drop them into the gas hole, because then you're going to have a bad time. So right now I'm just unscrewing each of these. I might do an edit and just fast forward past this. And you can take your key out, by the way, it doesn't have to stay in. Alright, so let's start pulling these out. It's very important that when you're pulling these out, you keep a good grip on them. You keep a good grip on them. Because again, you don't want these falling into your gas tank. Alright, there's all 5. So now this bad boy comes up nice and easy. Boom. And there's you. I'm just checking something real quick. Okay, so realistically, you only need to remove these 4. Okay. Alright, so here is the Bonamici Racing quick release gas cap, and we're about to find out what exactly is in here. Made for agnostic use only. What? Oh, agonistic, not agnostic. Dyslexic. Alright, so these are all of the components right here, and we're gonna go ahead and install it now. So I'm going to take all of these screws out, which are significantly longer, and let me go ahead and put one of these screws back. I was thinking I was going to reuse these, but nope. Alright, so you take this, and then you put this little rubber piece on the bottom side, as this is your seal. Alright. We take this, line it up, like so. Now we're going to take our screws, put them in, get them lined up. I see why these are so long now. Okay, so hopefully those are all lined up, but if not, I'm going to find out real fast. Alright, let's check it. Alright, that's all in place now. And then we're going to take this. Let's see. and now it's locked in place. And that concludes the installation of the Bonamici Racing quick release gas cap for the BMW S1000RR 2024 model. And when you're ready to open it, all you got to do is push it down and then pull it off. And then when you want to close it, you just twist it. You don't have to do the push part. So push, twist, open, place it in, twist it, it's locked. Alright, now that's it. See you guys in the next one. Hopefully this video is helpful. Peace.